Standard 3 Science Lesson 6 Living and Non-Living Things Explanation. So students, today we are going to learn about living and non-living things and their differences. Animal, plants and humans are all living things. Now here in this picture you can see different pictures of animals, different kind of plants and human beings. These all are living things. Why they are living things? Because living things move. Now here you can see the picture of animal, elephant and human being. They both are walking, so living things can move from one place to another. Birds and insects fly with the help of wings. Now how insects and all move? They move with the help of their wings. Here we will see how different creatures are moving with different things, and they are living things. Fish moves with the help of fins. You must have seen the fish in your fish tank also, or in water also. So they are moving with the help of the fins. Now here the movement of the plant MIMOSA, it is also known as touch me not, is shown. Now here in this picture you can see, here see all the leaves are in the position which is open, and here the person has touched the finger and see it has started to fold itself. That's why it is called touch me not. A mimosa plant closes itself when it is touched. So a plant is showing movement in this way. Non-living things do not move on their own. Now you must have seen many non-living things around you, such as a car, piano, book, cycle, balloon, chair, scooter. So these are the all non-living things, and they cannot move by their own. They are only moved when we move them. So they can't move by their own. That's why they are non-living things. Now another feature is living things grow. You all must have seen that if you must also have a small baby girl or a boy or small brother, sister, then you must have seen that from small infant how they are growing big. And you must have also seen your pictures, childhood photos, that how small you were and now at this stage how big you have become. So living things grow. As the same way plants can also grow. Now here also in this picture you can see that a seed is sown in the soil, then it comes out, it grows and becomes a plant or a tree, whatever the seeds we have planted. Non-living things do not grow. You must have seen the non-living things around you which never grow in length. They are the same, such as fan, teddy bear. Here in this picture you can see book. They don't grow, or they don't get their height doesn't grow, or they doesn't become small. They are same as it is. That's why they are non-living things. Living things breathe. Now you must have felt by yourself that you are breathing when you are inhaling and you are exhaling. Here you can see the process of breathe, inhaling, exhaling. Here also animal is inhaling and it is exhaling. So living things breathe. They need air to live. Now we will see the system of the insects. From where do breathe? We as human beings and other animals, we breathe through our nose, but insects breathe through their air holes, such as cockroach and butterfly breathe through the air holes. Here you can see the small holes on both the side. With the help of that, a cockroach breathe, and here also you can see the small dots through which butterfly and other insects breathe. Every living creature has different breathing system. Now stomata. Here we can see that the breathing system of the plants we are seeing here. Plants don't have any nose or any air holes. Plants have stomata present in the leaves. Now here you can see these dark green spots. They are the stomata, and this is the microscopic image of stomata through which the plants breathe. Non-living things do not breathe. Have you seen a car breathing, an umbrella breathing, a book breathing? No. So non-living things do not breathe. Living things need food. Now we as a living thing, animals, plants, human beings, insects, we all need food to live, to grow, and to do other activities. Some eat fruits, vegetables, and some eat meat, but all the living things need food. Plants also need food. Now, the process by which plants prepare its food is known as the process of photosynthesis. Here, the plants make their food in presence of sunlight, and leaves are known as the kitchen of the plants. Why? Because leaves make food for the entire plant. Non-living things do not need food. As we have seen earlier that non-living things does not grow, does not breathe. So in the same way, they don't need any food. Have you ever given food to any book? Have you ever given food to your cycle? No, because they don't eat. So living things do not need food. Living things feel changes around them. They feel hot and cold weather. Now, from where they feel all these things, all the living things are having 5 sense organs through which they can feel the changes around them. The 5 sense organs are ears. Ears help us to hear, eyes help us to see, nose help us to smell, skin feels the touch, and tongue tastes the food. So these are the 5 sense organs which makes us feel changes around us. Now let us see how plants feel changes in them. Lotus flower. During the daytime, the lotus flower blooms, but at the night time it closes itself. So this is how the lotus plant shows movement and change. The sunflower. The sunflower throughout the full day, it shows the movement, it feels changes, it faces towards the sun. Wherever the sun's direction is, sunflower faces itself towards the sun. Non-living things do not feel changes. Living things reproduce. Now what is the reproduction? The process by which living things produce more of their own kind is called reproduction. Now animals, birds, human beings, etc. reproduce either by laying eggs or giving birth to their young ones. Now in this picture you can see animals and human beings have their babies with them, means they give birth to their young ones. Whereas pigeon, hen, etc. lay eggs. And now this is the process of a reproduction. A hen lays an egg, it is then hatched for some time, and then the chicks come out from that egg. So this is the reproduction system of a chicken. Now how plants reproduce? Plants reproduce with the help of seeds, roots, stems or leaves. Now here in this picture you can see that a seed is been sown and it has grown. Now here you can see the potatoes are in a bunch because they are grown with the help of one root only. Here we have planted different seeds at different places, but here we have planted one seed only, and from their roots so many potatoes are grown. So plants also reproduce with the help of seeds, roots, stems or leaves. Non-living things do not reproduce. Thank you.